Short video introduced together reviews of Volway 10-inch 2500 mirror dash cam with voice control, Sony Starvis sensor, full touch screen, waterproof backup camera, rear view mirror camera. Parking assistance, enhanced night vision. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose Volway 10-inch 2500 mirror dash cam. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Now the Volway mirror dash cam will follow your voice commands, turn on, off, screen/lock the video/show both video/take photo/video start, stop. Ready for a safer and easier driving experience. Dual cams provide with Ultra HD video resolution up to 2560x1440p, 2.5K. Offer you much clearer footage capturing license plates from a distance. 170 degrees adjustable front lens and 160 degrees rear lens cover, total 330 degrees field of view to reduce blind area and capture more scenes on the road. Equipped with superior Sony Starvis sensor, the dash cam captures sharp videos with enhanced details at extreme low light conditions. Make it a trustworthy guardian for your car all day and night. Backup camera shows rear view of the car by displaying high-resolution video streaming in the rearview mirror. When the car is put into reverse, the screen image will display park assist lines for safe and easy parking. Loop recording allows continuous recording even if the memory card reaches full capacity. G-sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. Parking monitor functions as a surveillance camera system while the vehicle is off. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.